This is a short video on meanders. A meander is simply a bend in a stream. So draw one right here. It's important that you know the inside and the outside of a meander because opposite things happen in those locations. So take a particle and put it on either side of the meander, and then draw a line into the meander. Whichever side these particles hit, that's the outside of the meander. Here's the outside of the meander. Velocity is always greatest on the outside. Velocity greatest. Since velocity is greatest on the outside of the meander, this is where you will get erosion. And this side of the meander is called the cut bank. The opposite is true on the inside. Here is the inside of the meander. Velocity is the slowest. Velocity is the slowest. The sediment doesn't get carried and it gets deposited. And this is called the point bar. When you have a meander, since the outside of the meander is where erosion occurs, the meanders will migrate in the direction of the cut bank. If you're going to build a house on a floodplain, make sure you build it on the inside of a meander. And then we have situations like this. We have adjacent meanders. And if we look at the way they migrate, so the two on the outside are migrating towards the top. The one on the middle is coming down towards the bottom. Over time, you get something like this. And then eventually, what happens, the middle meander gets cut off from the main channel, and you have an oxbow. These are important concepts that you will need to know, particularly for this week, particularly for the quiz. Thank you.